Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This week I spent $39.41 for two people for 2 weeks, or $9.85 per person per week. We had a free turkey in the freezer from last Thanksgiving that we cooked last week, and I chose to buy a chicken from Costco, some lettuce, a large bag of potatoes, some reduced peppers, some eggs, hummus, lettuce, etc. I also went to the store several times, as you can see by my receipts, and I bought a couple of reduced items here and there when I passed by the store on my way home. This week, I am not going shopping at all, but we will eat the food I bought last week and eat from our freezer. I looked in the freezer this morning and found some vanilla yogurt, some stuffed grape leaves, some rhubarb pie, and there's lots of other containers I haven't even looked at. It will be nice to have lots of ready-to-eat food that I can just thaw and reheat. I also made a lot of bread so we could make stuffing for the turkey. I froze the cooked turkey stuffing and gravy to eat in the next several weeks. I used some of the peppers to make a Cajun jambalaya recipe and froze the rest of them for later. We had some of the Tex-Mex casserole that I froze last time with some homemade tortillas. We made some hash browns with peppers and onions. I made some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies, and oatmeal butterscotch chip cookies. I also made some whole wheat pita bread. I made a turkey pot pie with the reduced pie crusts I got at the store. I made some funeral potatoes and some brownies for a dinner with neighbors. I got some crabapple sauce out of the freezer to eat and made some applesauce muffins with some of the applesauce. We have lots of food in our freezer, including fruits and vegetables from our garden that we will eat until I go shopping again next Wednesday. There's a large variety since I froze a lot of meals that I didn't remember freezing. So far, I'm on target as I enter the amount I spend each week on a Google spreadsheet. If I hadn't been so faithful in keeping track this past week, I may have spent more than I budgeted. How are you doing so far this year on your food budget? It's never too late to start. And if you go over budget, just realize that it happens and get back on track by recommitting yourself the next week. It takes time to figure out a reasonable budget. Usually by the end of 3 months, you have a better idea of what is good for your situation. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.